I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading on. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading on. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. I will make it right. I will make it right. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll. 'Cause you're fading on. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Tell me again. Tell me again.
You know we're so different, yet exactly the same. You lost my number and I forgot your last name. And oh girl, how nice it was to see you today. But oh, I remember why we both parted our ways. It's because I can't figure you out, you can't figure me out. What we're gonna do, I can figure you out, you can't figure me out. And baby, it's deja vu. It's like a bad game of Clue. Figure you out, I can't figure you out. Can you figure me out? And it was so simple when we would infatuate. But getting to know you, girl, would make us both complicate. And sometimes I wonder if we took the time to learn, instead of jumping to conclusions, girl, when we still crash and burn. And it's because I can't figure you out. Can you figure me out? What we're gonna do, I can figure you out. You can't figure me out. And baby, it's deja vu. It's like we playing a bad